Hello everybody, this is again MCRA Tomorrow channel or Showtime with MC, and in today's video I will teach you how to create an account and really use Zoom. This is the platform of the video meetings and that sort of stuff, and because of the current situation that is in the world, you may need to know this. So you're gonna go to zoom.us and you shall see the screen, and then you're gonna press sign up. It's free, and then you're gonna tap it and you shall see the screen and choose sign in with Google. I'm not going to show you how I sign in, but the final screen should look like this, and then you're gonna press create an account. So here we have two options. First is join the account, and the second one is change email address. So we're gonna tap join with account and continue, and here we're gonna tap sign in first page, and then we shall do the process again, and the final screen will look like this. So this is your final screen. And here we have profile, here we have meetings and that sort of stuff. This is the scheduled meeting. And now we will test how to use this Zoom. So yeah, this is the final screen that you have to see. If you do not see, just go back and follow the steps that I did. And we're going forward. So you see the screen, and now you shall go not here, but you shall go here and tap start a new meeting. You shall see that little button right here. So if you're gonna tap this the start a new meeting, then you're gonna see all this information of the meeting, and then what you're gonna just simply scroll down and press save. After you save, you shall see this little button, and you're gonna click it, start this meeting. And now, if nothing prompts from browser, you can just click download Zoom. But if again nothing prompts from browser, you can click here, like as I can see, like please click open Zoom US if you see the system dialog, and you're gonna just simply click here, or to launch the meeting, or just download and run Zoom. So in this case, we'll just simply press download Zoom, and you see it's kind of downloading right here, this little package. So now you're gonna just simply open it, like the Zoom, and then you're gonna see this screen right here. And the next thing what you're gonna do is that you're gonna just simply read the instructions that are here, and then wait a little bit, and then the screen will pop out, and you shall click OK, and then the Zoom will open, like the application. So you have to click OK again and press join a meeting or sign in. So if you join a meeting, you will see this screen, but if you tap sign in, you will see the screen, and then you will sign in with Google again. So like this, as I'm doing this right now, and then you're gonna press allow, and this is the final screen that you shall see after you really load this Zoom application. So here you can join meeting, here you can start a new meeting, here you can schedule a meeting and that sort of stuff. You will also have chat and like other things, like the personal information and that sort of stuff, contacts. Please guys, subscribe to my channel down below like this, write down in the comment section if it really helped you, and